Namaskara friends. Today is my first step in a 5-month spoken English challenge and I want you to join me. I am from Karnataka and my English is not also perfect. But for the next 5 months I will practice every single day and share my journey with you. If you are also a beginner, this is your chance to start with me. Why spoken English is important? English is not just as a school subject, it is a life skill. It gives you better job and study opportunity. It makes you confident to talk to anyone. It connects you with the world. It gives you access the world, the best learning materials online. I'm not learning English for marks. I'm learning it's to change my life and you can also. In this challenge, I will practice speaking daily, learn new words, listen to English for 20 minutes a day, and share my progress here on YouTube step by step. Well, improve together. If you want to join this 5-month charge journey, subscribe now and watch daily from tomorrow. I will share small grammar tips and speaking practice. Let's become confident English